How you can read deleted messages in 1 minute. For that, I am showing you the deleted messages of WhatsApp here. Done. See, I have a friend. This is a very related message. No one, by the way. I have deleted it so that I can tell you. Okay, so how to read these deleted messages is a simple process. You do not have to download any application. You have to go to the settings of your mobile phone. From here, as soon as you go to the settings, you will see notification and status bar here. If you use other mobiles, then you will see notifications there, right? So we will go from here, notification and status bar. You must be having notifications. As soon as we come to it, here you have to go to more settings. As soon as you come to more settings, here you have to turn on the notification part. It is already turned on, so I can also read all the deleted messages. Okay, whatever my message is, I can read the deleted ones. I can also turn it off from here. Now, I will show you again. I will send a message from this mobile to this mobile. You must be seeing it on the screen. I will delete it in front of you and will also show it after reading it. So from here, we go to this number of mine. So I will send it to you by sending a message. Here is this number. I will delete this message from here. Okay, I sent it in front of you. Look here, the notification has come. I am writing any. Look, this message related to has already been deleted. So now I will read and show you this message in notification history. So we have to go to settings, go to notifications, go to notification history, go to more settings. Okay, here, notification state, turn off. I will send another message again. There must have been a message from above. Look, this is a message. I had turned off that message by mistake. Now I will also delete it. Related in front of you, here, delete. Okay, it has been deleted. Now notification system, look, the one below is deleted. Now look here, if we go to notification history, then you can see these 2 matches and 3 messages. You will get to see what all I have sent here. Okay, so in this way you can see. You got to know how to do it. Turn on notifications more. This is a simple process.